There's about 2 million people in Australia with intermediate risk of heart disease. Over the next 5 years, there'll be about 150,000 heart attacks and strokes that occur within that group. My name is Peter Meikle. My project is to develop a new blood test to enable the early detection and treatment of heart disease. The big picture ambition is to translate our new test for early detection of heart disease. The problem, the current stage, is that we're not very good at early detection. Current tests classify people as either low risk, intermediate risk, or high risk. Our project and the new test is really designed to allow us to reclassify those individuals as either high risk or low risk. And of course, the high risk can then go on to aggressive treatment and hopefully prevent those future heart attacks and strokes. We've been using our lipidomic technology to study heart disease for the last 15 years. During that time, we've recognised that heart disease is a metabolic disease, and it results from a dysregulation primarily of our lipid metabolism, or the metabolism of our fats. Our technology allows us to look at many hundreds of lipids or fats that circulate in our blood. So rather than simply taking cholesterol as a risk marker for heart disease, we now take several hundred individual lipid species, combine them into a single risk score, and that gives us much more resolution and much more precision in terms of predicting future risk for a heart attack and stroke. We then combine that lipidomic risk score with the genetic risk score, because we know that heart disease risk has both a genetic component and a metabolic component or an environmental component. And combining those two give us the best performance for this new test. We've done a lot of the work. We have a test that we know works. And so what excites me now is the opportunity to actually translate that into a clinical application so that we can start testing people and make a difference to the outcome for those people. Most Australians would be familiar with the Heart Health Check. That's the current recommendations from the Heart Foundation. Our new test fits within the framework of the Heart Health Check. And it's important then that we work with the Heart Foundation to embed the new test within that Heart Health Check framework, and then educate GPs and patients about how and when to use that new test to provide the best health outcomes.